JPEGs into convert into the CAD file. So the benefit using the AutoCAD 2020 is, if you use the architecture website, you can save more than 75% in creating the elevation drawings. For the floor plans design drawing, so you can save more than 50%, because when you create a 2D, automatic 3D will be generated. Okay, so I directly go to the things that workflow, okay, using the AutoCAD. Alright, so for inserting windows, if I use the AutoCAD, so I just use the normal AutoCAD. I need to create a wall, offset a line, okay, then trim and put the wall. Alright, so next if I use the architecture toolset, so I just simply create a wall and also Windows object, put the windows, so automatic generate. So much more efficient, much more faster, so compared to the previous one. So I will skip others. So this will be the slide that will help you to, maybe you want to know regarding the improvement of workflow inside your company. You can ask me, so I can do the presentation for your company. Alright, so the second thing is more on the AutoCAD web and also mobile apps. Alright, so previously, if you want to edit drawing, you need to make sure that your PC have a software. But currently, if you want to edit drawing, so you can simply go to this website, web.autocad.com. Right, so web.autocad.com/login. So I just simply need to sign in into my account, for example. Right, so this will be my account, and if I have one drawing that I need to edit at home, so I just simply sign in into my PC at home. So do the editing over here. So once I recreate one drawings and I put into my cloud, so we call it as Autodesk AutoCAD. So they have two options. Either you use the AutoCAD mobile apps, or you use we call it application into phone using the App Store or Play Store. So this will one of the sample. If I want to create another line over here, I just simply create line. So you can also snap all the point using same like AutoCAD. So for example, I want to create from this endpoint to this endpoint. So after that, I just simply save my drawing, and tomorrow when I come to my office, I just simply reopen back my drawing from my cloud. So that's the way we can do the drawing, not even at the office only. So this one of the new things lah. So the other things, if I have, for example, I give my PC to my notebook to share. Okay, I just stop share. So I go into my, this will be, I go into my notebook, so to share my drawing. So I go to Zoom meeting, share content. I share my screen. Share content screen. Right, so you can see my screen over here. Right, so inside the application, inside the Android and also iOS, you can simply download the software. We call it as an AutoCAD software. So this will be the AutoCAD software. So I just simply open this AutoCAD. So I just can simply sign in into my account. So after I sign in into my account, okay, I can access same like what I showed you previously, the AutoCAD web. So for example, I want to do the editing in some drawing. So I just simply open and load into my phone, for example. So then do the editing over here. So this will help you to make sure that you can access your file everywhere. So just for example, if you take a leave, then your boss one few drawings that need to do in urgent. So for example, this is one of the drawings. So if I want to, for example, also I want to move this, all this part, so I do the selection. Sorry. Okay, I just simply select on this thing. Okay, so I want to move it, I just simply select and move draw over here. So just simply use application. So no need to worry about the licensing. So you, for example, at the office you can access your drawing. Okay, but at home you can access your drawing, but using the, just make sure you are using your PC or laptop. So I then go back into my PC.